Hi guys, I know I sent out a video yesterday, but I hope that you watched this one as well. I've read through all of your logbooks, and those of you that have posted in the discussion area have already read your plan for the upcoming project. However, I want to make sure that we're all kind of on the same page. I know we haven't seen each other in a while because that last week before spring break was your week of experiments, but I want to make sure everybody's on the right track. So let's kind of focus in together and look at the modules. And we're going to go back to where we left off. So again, we're in week 9 now, but in week 8, I talked about research writing and logbooks. And these are things that you needed to look at before you made your project up. So if we go to conducting research, and you've got your homework, and on the next page, there it is, research writing. So this is the format that I want you to cover in your final research report. But even more specifically, I wanted you to decide on a topic that you could prove. For example, if you've decided just to count your calories each day, that's not giving me a clear idea of your hypothesis. Remember that in all academic writing, you are trying to share your opinions, your stance, your ideas about something. And this is a concrete idea. For example, getting at least 8 hours of sleep per night will improve a person's grades. That might be something that you believe, but you want to go out and prove it. So if you spent an entire week getting at least 8 hours of sleep every night, did you see your grades improve? We want to see actual data that proves your hypothesis. Drinking a gallon of water each day will give a person more energy. If you drank a gallon of water every single day, did your energy improve? The only way to really measure that is probably by something like exercise. Perhaps day 1, you decide to run a half mile. Well, time yourself. Day 2, maybe you do it again and your time is about the same. Day 3, your time improves, but maybe that's because your body is just using the energy better. So maybe day 4, you don't drink a gallon of water to see if you're still improving. And that way you're able to get clear research data. If you're having a hard time deciding on how to incorporate this research or this experiment into your paper, talk to me. We can set up one of these video lectures so that we can chat, but I want to make sure that your experiment is helping you prove a concept that you're going to write about in your paper next week. Remember, this week you should be conducting an interview, and you'll have to do it with either somebody who lives with you or in this type of situation where you're FaceTiming or doing a virtual conference with someone who can be credible primary research for you. All right, I hope that makes sense. If not, again, please contact me so that I can get you on the right track as early as possible. I want to make sure that you fully understand this assignment before starting the research process next week. Sorry, the writing process next week. All right, guys, thanks, and I will see you online.